Hello again, everyone. So your afternoon session today, usually on a Monday, as you know, we do art or design technology. And if we were at school today, we would be starting our new topic, all about textiles. What I would like you to do is I want you to go onto this website and it will bring you to a really, really good website called the Children's University of Manchester. And on this page, it's all about textiles, obviously. You can read the introduction if you want about this lady, Jennifer Harris. She's the one who wrote about all this and about careers in textiles if you want. But the main thing I want you to do is have a look over here on the side. So there's lots and lots of different sections. And what I want you to do is I want you to go onto each section. So you go to the first one, what are textiles? And this will give you some information about what textiles are and some examples. On each section, there's a little screen in front of you like this that you can see, and you click next, and little games come up and little questions come up that you can interact with. But just make sure you go to the end of each section before you go back over to this side bit and choose the next section down. So here's a little game. Can you find all 10 textiles? It's a bit harder than I thought actually when I did that earlier. So once you finish all of that, then you come back to the side and you click on the next subheading. So for example, how are textiles made? And then you carry on through the information, you click on all the little bits, you can read it, click next, make sure you are continuing on, then you come back to the side, how are textiles decorated, and then hopefully it will give you the next pieces of information and activities, so you get the idea. Okay, so there's lots of different things. So after each section, make sure you are going back and moving on to the next subheading along here. It's best viewed on a laptop or a desktop computer. I have tried it on my phone and it does work. The only thing is this little thing across the side here, it's actually at the top, it's a tab at the top, and you have to just keep going back up to the tab to change each one of these subheadings. So you can actually still do it on your phone. It just looks slightly different, but these games here in the middle all look the same. You might just have to zoom in a little bit. So that's the first thing I want you to do for DT, and that way you will be prepared for our next lesson. And then secondly, I want you to go on to Education City. Now yours looks different to mine because mine's a teacher view. It's in the homework section and there is a science activity in there. Again, this is to prepare you for our new topic. It's called Use the Force and it's all about forces. It's not about Star Wars, it's all about forces because that's what we are going to do. So when you log on, your button will look like this. It's red. It's a red button, okay? Also, I have left last week's activities on there because I know some people were a bit busy or you didn't have time to have a look at the activities. But there's some maths still on there and some science revision from the planets and Earth and the Moon that we were learning about. So they're still on there. They're still published. Okay. So just keep an eye out on your Education City as well. And then finally, tomorrow when you come to school, it's Odd Socks Day because it's Anti-Bullying Week. So don't forget to get your odd socks out of the drawer and wear them to school for a bit of fun and to highlight Anti-Bullying Week. So I hope all that made sense. I hope you have a really, really good day and yeah, have a good one.